All right, people, we're here to present to you a very special video. Thanks, Betty. Saved my life. Thank you, because I could have injured myself.
Yes! That's sick. Yes. They're fun. Aaron, you can't tell me these aren't fun.
Kelly, always up on the latest trend. Oh, yes! These are fun.
Gabe, get my back on this one.
Dude, you heard me scream yes.
How does this work? It goes from like a regular shoe.
You can do both.
You could do both a regular shoe.
Yeah.
What
It's
in the
a versatile
world?
shoe.
Oh, look, so you can do it.
I have not had a pair of these in a very, probably 15 years.
So you've owned a pair of these.
Of course.
That's what you're trying to say.
You've never owned a pair?
Heelys? No.
They weren't
They're probably
You've
made
never
in like
owned a
the...
pair?
Troy and I are from a different generation.
People were getting mad at me in grocery stores for riding these around.
So
Dang you
they're
bad.
Oh, I think this is what you used to get it out.
Duh.
No, you just push it out. Done. Boom. Wheel inserted. Well, first of all, they do have full-blown Reds bearings in there. Warning, by peeling this sticker, you acknowledge the risks inherent in the use of Heelys and that you will abide by and cause all users of these Heelys to abide by the safety precautions in the user manual and on our website. Well, I'm gonna leave the sticker on then. Are we gonna do like a trick and then land off the board on the Heelys? What are we gonna do with this? Sometimes we just like get something and we're like, oh, we'll film that. I think this is a great video for Fetty and Kelly, and I'll talk about it.
Nope. Never tie it onto the top.
These shoes are pretty sick looking though. Thanks.
Troy?
Dang, Fetty.
Look at that.
So, Aaron, you know the technique behind these, right?
No.
You gotta run, and your right foot goes forward, and you bend your front foot up, and then tilt your back
it's a
foot
real
up.
ankle work.
What? Heelys made simple with Gabe Cruz.
I didn't know they made these in grown-up sizes. Oh! Your boy remembers. Your boy remembers. Seen you, dog.
Gang!
That's the only trick I can do.
Hit the box, hit the box. Oh!
I'm too scared to ride it. It's like a bad manual. How do you not fall backwards? How do you do that? Betty just runs and rolls like this. And I'm like,
What's up?
what's it?
Oh!
Okay, Fetty, I got a challenge for you. The bungee.
Heck no.
Coolest thing since sliced bread.
All right, you know I'm really keen on staying behind the camera, but I really gotta try those, dude.
Yeah.
Please, can I try them?
Please.
Oh god, these are small.
See if I still got it. Oh yeah!
Wow. The amount of embarrassment occurring in the Braille house right now is at all-time highs. I take it back. I've never seen anything as cool as I see right now. Wow, what a catch by Cruz. Heely machine.
This reminds me of all the times, I would go to the grocery store and I'd just be walking around. My mom was shopping. I'd just be and then my mom would be like, "Gabe, you don't ride those in the store." And I'd be like, "Sorry."
Dang you, bud. Kelly's got him on now.
Let's go, Kelly.
Kelly versus Gabe, game of heels.
Oh, Jesus. Backwards?
Great way to film.
Dude, seriously.
Seriously, Lance.
This is
what
changing
Lance
the way
needs.
of filming. Do a trick. This is how you film fisheye from now on. Killing it.
No comments.
Oh! Whoa!
Fetty versus Kelly versus Luke, Heelys, whole park skate. Fight!
Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
I just have a feeling that Luke's gonna physically
That's
injure
why we
his
wanted
body.
him to play.
Was that really the trick? We should play hardcore mode. Style, grace, steez, and ease. I would have been impressed if he would have kicked the board away and landed in Heely.
Jump on the box like board transfer, jump on manual on the Heelys, then jump onto another board. That'd be sick.
I'm not gonna lie and say that wasn't the sickest bail I've ever seen. That's what I'm scared of. Do they fly back? Or the wheel's not that?
I'm gonna go Heely and then jump back on my board.
Leave it up to Kelly. Kelly's just a progressive individual.
Come back on me. Ah!
It wasn't there yet. It wasn't there. So disappointed.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
What is the world coming to?
Oh!
We're reaching new levels here at the Braille House on a daily basis. That was full drag, come on. I want to see a real Heely in there. Besides, I needed to get it for my Instagram and I missed it.
Perfect.
I missed it again. It's like, poor Luke, you never know when he's gonna land it or just get totally destroyed. Off the 5 to Heely. Would you do that?
No.
You got that.
Damn, what concert? I told you.
You gotta warn me earlier so I get the slow-mo ready in advance. Gabe was like, Aaron, he's gonna eat it.
I thought it'd be easier. Oh, okay, his shoe came off. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fetty goes to the hospital.
I thought his ankle snapped, dude.
Oh,
Oh my god!
See why I screamed?
Disappointed in myself.
Me too.
Luke with the fire.
One year I asked Santa for Christmas for these, like 4 years ago.
Santa hook you up?
Yeah, two-wheeler. He's like so nonchalant about it.
I know, just straight to wheelie.
Call that.
The best tray flip I've ever seen Kelly do ever.
It's like me with my best tray flip was in Crocs.
Dig this. This has 530 reviews, which is probably the most reviews I've ever seen out of any product we've ever used here in the Braille House. 75% of them are 5-star reviews. This is the first review, 5 stars. I sexually identify as a Heelys. Yeah. 5 stars. How do kids do this? Beep! Question mark. Please just skate in Heelys all the time. These are the best reviews I've ever seen anywhere. I used them when I graduated from high school. I wheeled up and grabbed my diploma. Thank you, world. And then this one, 5 stars, I am immortal. This is the shoe of the gods. I knew when I saw him push I should have been filming slow-mo. Kelly with the wheelies. I'm telling you, he's like he's better at skating in wheelies than he is on regular shoes. I mean, it's pretty much just every review. These are great. Best shoes ever. Best shoes ever. These are great. That was a perfect ending to that trick. Tail stomp? What? What?
Made it.
Kickflip on flat.
Flat ground is at the warehouse. I said mini ramp was not a good idea.
Please tell me what you're going for on this round.
I don't know. Wow.
Can you please just try and Heely down and up? I think they can do it. There you go. There you go. Oh!
First try! They're kind of annoying.
Oh snap, I'm gonna eat it. Slow-mo for when Luke goes. Oh my god!
Dude, that sucked.
Are you okay?
That was the worst, man.
Did you see his face?
My cheeks, man, my cheeks.
Did it split your cheek?
What happened?
He just missed the best.
Dang it, the one time I didn't have the slow-mo.
Well, anyways.
My big son's out of here.
Gabe is literally crying right now. I have tears in my eyes, dude.
Luke, you have to try it, you know?
I've never done this on regular shoes.
Very well made, sturdy skate shoes. There you have it.
Honestly, if you put the little thing in there and didn't have the wheels, probably could skate them. I just don't want to do this. Yeah, one more try. Sure. Well, good game. Thank you.
Great shoes. Just be careful walking downstairs. I learned that the hard way.
Yeah, I'm taking a letter.
So you're at T?
T.
Tray flip, late flip, land Heely.
Tray flip, late flip is all too familiar to this guy.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, good to go, my friend.
I was gonna wheel it, make my board go up the ramp and just...
Yeah, fantastic idea.
He said that was for me and he messed up.
I don't know what to do.
You gotta pull it all the way outside.
Well, I think I have enough speed. It's like I can't keep it like perfect so I don't drag.
That's what we were waiting for.
Finally!
Yes! Oh my God. I'm waiting for somebody to land in Heely off the stairs. Like I said, better on Heelys than regular shoes. Fires back. I mean, he called it himself, he called it himself.
All right, right here, Aaron buys me lunch.
Here we go, Betty, here we go.
Fetty's the winner.
You are the Heelys champion. Well played, my friend. You guys are incredible. You tray flipped the 5 on Heelys.
Feels so good to be on flat ground now.
And you did the bungee.
Yeah, I did.
You can flip the 3.
Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a
Trophies
comment
are a kick
below,
flip.
and watch all the other videos in this series of playlists. And you guys, each and every one of you guys, learn to skateboard. Get a skateboard, learn to skateboard, get skateboarding made simple. It will help you learn to skateboard, then you will learn to skateboard, then you'll have fun skateboarding like Fetty, and me, and Troy, and Gabe. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.